Good evening and welcome back to Layman's Tech, and you're watching Levin Rajkumar, and today we are going to see a new keyboard mouse combo. Guys, this is from Anti-Sport brand. We have the Pro Backlit gaming combo kit. It's a keyboard as well as the mouse for gaming. As you can see, the model number is KM540, and this is a wired variant. I'm not going for a wireless one because I like wired keyboard and mouses because the latency is so low for gaming. It gives you best of the performance while you're gaming with for the first person shooter or third person shooter or for any gaming. You need a wired one that gives you the best experiences, and if it is going to add on with your RGB, and it's going to enhance your gaming performance. It says multicolor backlit lighting. Even the keys is RGB enabled, as well as the backlit also is there. Right behind you can see what all the product features are. You have the palm rest with your keyboard, the multicolored LED, metal alloy frame, built-in wrist rest. You have anti-ghosting keys, user definable colors, USB compatible cable, low latency as it is a cabled one. It is around 1.5 meters cable cord, and for the mouse, if you can see, it is a braided cable. It is also 1.5 meters long. And the most important thing for the mouse is the ultra high customizable DPI. So you can customize your mouse key, DPI for your better response for based on your games. And you have LED backlit scroll keys. You have adjustable DPI settings, low latency response. The keyboard is around 766 grams, and here for the mouse it doesn't matter if it is going to weigh a ton also. I'm going to game with it. Guys, the price it is mentioned here is 2,499, but we got this for around 1,350. I'm surprised this product has this particular pricing. We'll keep the keyboard and the mouse aside, and we'll see what is available in the box. As they have mentioned in the box, they have given some anti-sport welcome card. It's a gaming unlimited card. I think you need to scan the QR code for the gaming code, and this is the warranty card as well as the user manual. We'll go for the gaming keyboard. Wow, it sounds exactly like mechanical, but guys, don't get mistaken, it is not mechanical keys. They have lifted up the key caps, so it looks and feels like mechanical, but it is not mechanical, because at this price you don't get a mechanical keyboard. The build quality is really good. They have given an excellent metal finish. It is a brushed finished metal. I believe it looks like some kind of a teal metal blue green color. I can't explain it how it is. It's really good, and they have got a transparent lighting space for the backlit for the keys. Pretty much I can't view what alphabets are there in these keys as of now, but hopefully when I get connected to my PC, it will be good. They have a very compact and excellent armrest. The spacings are really good. The keys are excellent build quality. I really like this particular keyboard. I think you can even detach your armrest in case you don't want. You have this lift up pads in case you want to keep your keyboard in an angle. Excellent, guys. This is a very good gaming keyboard for this particular price. Let's go to the mouse. Again, I have to say, for this particular price, I don't see anybody giving a braided cable for a mouse. Again, this looks really awesome. It's very alienish look. It gives a very alienish look. It's very comfortable. My hands are so big, but it really fits me perfectly. It gives a very comfortable feel. The clicks, okay, I can say okay. They have some customizable keys also, which are available here in the sides as well as on top. You have a very smooth scrolling key in the middle. It's an RGB, guys. It is not an ARGB model. It comes in multicolors ones, and I don't think you will be able to customize according to your liking of color. It literally glows in rainbows. But this is excellent, guys. I think I'm going to love gaming with these particular products. When my PC is ready, you're going to watch it. We are going to build it, and this is going to be right there in front of my PC. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Click the thumbs up icon and share the video if you like our content. Throw in your questions and suggestions as comments, which we will answer for sure.